Welcome inside one of Dubai's largest gold factories, where precision and technology meet in perfect harmony. Here, pure gold begins its transformation, melting and shaping under automated precision. Every bar is carefully inspected, ensuring a purity of 99.9% before moving to the next stage. Advanced refining technology separates impurities, leaving only the purest gold for jewelry making. Every piece is polished to perfection, reflecting the factory's meticulous standards. From casting to storage, automation ensures gold moves seamlessly across the factory floor. High-speed cutting machines transform solid gold into ready-to-craft sheets. Precision weighing guarantees every gram meets the highest standards. Laser engraving adds precise designs, bringing elegance to every piece. Automation assembles complex designs flawlessly, maintaining consistency and perfection. Every detail is scrutinized, ensuring absolute perfection in each piece. The liquid gold is carefully shaped into intricate forms for the finest jewelry. Polishing brings out the signature shine that defines luxury gold jewelry.
Cooling under precise conditions ensures every piece maintains its shape and quality.
Once complete, every piece is cataloged in the factory's high-tech storage system. Laser precision engraves even the tiniest details with flawless accuracy. Centrifugal refination ensures uniform consistency across all batches. Advanced scanners detect even the slightest irregularities to ensure perfection. Every step is digitally monitored, guaranteeing unmatched purity. Polishing robots create the perfect mirror finish, highlighting the brilliance of gold. Laser polishing perfects each surface, leaving no imperfection behind. Controlled melting furnaces maintain the exact temperature needed for flawless gold. Finished products are carefully arranged, ready for inspection and packaging. From molten metal to intricate forms, automation guides each transformation. Multiple processes occur simultaneously, maximizing efficiency and quality. Synchronization across the factory keeps production seamless and efficient. Gold flows through each stage with flawless precision, guided by automation. Continuous inspection ensures only perfect pieces move forward. Polishing is done robotically to maintain absolute consistency.
Every pour is calculated to ensure precision and minimal waste.
Advanced shaping machines craft each piece with perfect symmetry. The scale of the operation is staggering, yet every corner is maintained to perfection. Digital systems track every gram, ensuring unparalleled quality control. Tiny details are handled with the same precision as large-scale bars. Finished chains glide along automated lines, ready for final inspection. Each ring passes through multiple polishing stages to achieve perfection. Engraving precision ensures each piece is unique and flawless. From production to storage, every step is meticulously organized. Final inspections guarantee that only flawless pieces leave the factory. Molten gold is handled with absolute precision to create intricate jewelry forms. Assembly lines operate with precision, efficiency, and immaculate cleanliness. Even gemstones are set with robotic accuracy, ensuring perfect alignment. The scale, technology, and precision make this factory a marvel of modern gold production. And finally, 99.9% pure gold jewelry is ready, crafted with technology, precision, and perfection.